Imagine this. You're about to deliver the pitch of a lifetime to a room full of skeptical investors. You walk up to the room, you've got the podium to the right, the doors to the left, and an audience staring back at you. Question, where do you stand? And how are you supposed to move? What's most effective? And why does it matter? This, standing right here, this is monospot, the boring cousin of monotone. People just stand here, and it's just what they're used to. Now, some people say, oh gosh, well, that's not very effective. I better own the room. I better start moving. So then they decide to pace. This is the caged tiger approach to public speaking. Now, when a speaker is pacing, who are they thinking of? Themselves. They're entirely entrenched in the content in their heads. Now, some people, they circle the audience. And when you circle the audience, you create better angles for eye contact. So it's a little better than pacing. But there's something more effective than that. Anyone have any idea? You step into the audience. So when you step into and back from an audience, who's the speaker thinking of? Audience, right? You boost that connection. And it doesn't matter how far you step. It can be big, it can be small. Has the same effect. You could even be sitting in a meeting in the boardroom and leaning in has the same powerful effect. Now, to be most effective when using your space, you want to move with purpose. Anytime you change subject, you switch to a new spot. Change topic, change position. So if you've got two examples, you're going to be stepping in a new spot for each example. Same goes for options, comparisons, contrasts. Now, if you're worried, you're going to feel a little awkward first couple of times you move with purpose in real life. I can magically remove that worry and guarantee you will feel awkward. But the first time you move, you're going to feel a little more comfortable. And the more you move, the more comfortable you feel. And the more comfortable you feel, the more you're going to move. And next thing you know, you got this for life. You're a natural. Effective communication, it's not about the big things. It's about the small things that, when practiced, make a huge difference. Thank you.